is Gianna Bartko. I am the Business Development Manager for Foretell Reality, and I'm here with Woodrow, our #1 developer.
Oh, #1, thank you. Yeah, so we're going to be unboxing and then doing a kind of impressions, a little bit of a first review of the MetaQuest Pro. We finally got our MetaQuest Pro. Very excited. A lot of the hubbub is about the new lenses. If you look at VR lenses on any other headset, you'll see these kind of rings. Those are the Fresnels. They do something to compensate for the, some of the warping and the God rays and stuff that you get in VR. But this is an entirely new structure. It's super balanced though. Like it feels, even though it's got some weight on the back, you don't have that feeling of something kind of pulling down on the front of your face. Like it feels really, really comfortable and balanced. These are inside out tracking, and they actually have their own cameras on the controller. And so no matter where you put them, as long as you have some light, right, you're still not gonna be able to do it in pitch darkness. The controller is actually gonna know where it is.
Seems like a good idea to have an embedded battery, right? Until you run out of battery. And then you're done for the next half hour, because now you gotta charge it up. As opposed to just swapping a battery out.
These are noticeably heavier.
Yeah,
these feel very sort of plastic.
Like a gyroscope in there.
Well, yeah, there's a whole processor in there.
Yeah, they definitely feel a little heavier, but they just feel like,
It has substance.
yeah. And I was noticing the hand tracking is actually really nice. It feels pretty responsive.
I love how clear this environment is.
So hold the guitar and then look at the back and then click those arrows.
Peaceful. That is so cool. And another thing is that I love how it doesn't sit on my face. So now for enterprise use cases, if we were to send this headset to our clients, it does not come back completely caked in makeup or dirty with other people's sweat and gross stuff. So it does not sit on my head at all.
They were saying still feeling in this world is like less immersive with the gap underneath the bottom, so light comes in and all that.
That doesn't bother me.
Uh-huh.
Oddly enough, like I can see there's a gap. I actually love that it doesn't touch my face. That is huge.
On camera, I can see this light flashing on your eye. Is that LiDAR? What is?
That's interesting. What do you think it is? Is it like oh, maybe that's the eye tracking.
Yeah.
It's tracking the eyes.
On camera the eye tracking is showing up.
A bunch of calibration.
Curious to
with the
see.
HoloLens before you actually use it.
That's very
That's
interesting.
also-
You don't feel it at all. You don't feel the
Just
calibration at all.
Yeah, it's so wild.
You don't even see it here. It's interesting.